Now let us recall the algebraic identities that we have learned in 8th standard. That is, first one is a plus b the whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now these all four identities we have already learned, and we have solved the problems of this one also. Okay, so let us discuss directly exercise 2.5. Now first one is x plus 4 into x plus 10. Now in which identity it belongs to? It is in the form x plus a into x plus b. First term is same, second terms different. Okay, so it is in the form x plus a into x plus b. So here it will come first one x square. Now a plus b into x, that is 4 plus 10 into x. They are same sign, so the same thing it will come. Now 4 into 10, that is x square plus 14x plus 40. Okay, now second one, you see, x plus 8 x minus 10. Now here also it is in the form x plus a into x plus b, where a is equal to 8 and b is equal to negative 10. So here you will get x square plus 8 minus 10, b is negative 10, that's why negative sign, x, then 8 into negative 10. So it will be x square minus 2x minus 80. Okay. Now third one, 3x plus 4, 3x minus 5. So it will be 3x the whole square, then 4 minus 5 into 3x, then 4 into negative 5. So it will be 9x square, negative 1 it will come, negative 1 into 3x, negative 3x, plus 4 into negative 5, so negative 20 you will get. Okay, so 9x square minus 3x minus 20. Now fourth one, y square plus 3 by 2, y square minus 3 by 2. Now look at here, it is in the form a plus b and a minus b, where our a is equal to y square. So what will come? A plus b into a minus b will be equal to a square minus b square, that is y square the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square. Y square square is equal to y raised to 4. 3 square 9 and 2 square is 4. So your answer is y raised to 4 minus 9 by 4. Fifth one, 3 minus 2x and 3 plus 2x. So here also it is in the form a plus b and a minus b. So a square, that is 3 square minus 2x the whole square, 3 square is 9 minus 4x square. Okay. Now evaluate. First one, 103 into 107. Then 103, how can 103 into 107? You can write that 100 plus 3. 107 you can write as 100 plus 7. Okay. Now it is in the form x plus a and x plus b. So you can write x square, that is 100 square, then 3 plus 7 into x, then 3 into 7. So first one, 100 square plus 3 plus 7 into 100 plus 3 into 7. So 100 square, 10,000 you will get. So 7 plus 3, 10. 10 into 100, that is 1000 you will get, plus 21. So add that. So 11,021 you are getting. Now second one, 95 into 96. You can take that one, 90 plus 5 and 90 plus 6, or 100 minus 5 and 100 minus 4 also. Okay. So whatever easy you can take. So let me take 100 minus 5 that and 100 minus 4. Now again it is in the form x minus a and x minus b, that is x square, that is 100 square, then plus minus 5 minus 4 into 100 into minus 5 into minus 4. So here 10,000 minus 9 into 100, that is 900. Then 5 into 4, 20. So 10,000 plus 20. So 10,020 minus 900. So 9,120 you will get. Okay. So third one, 104 into 96. This one you can write 100 plus 4 and 100 minus 4. 96 is equal to 100 minus 4. Now look at here. It is in the form a plus b into a minus b. So what is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square, that is 100 square minus 4 square, that is 110,000 minus 16. $9,984. Now third question, factorize the following using appropriate identities. Now first question is 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. So factorization also we have learned last year. So look at this one, first and last term are perfect squares and middle term is a positive number. So it will be in the form a plus b the whole square. So let us check that one. What is the square root of 9x square? 3x the whole square. Y square will be y the whole square. Now check whether middle term will be 2 into first term into last term. Yes, 2 into first term is 3x and last term is y. So 2 into 3 xy, that is 6xy you are getting. So it is in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is a square plus 2ab plus b square? Factorization of that one is a plus b the whole square. That is equal to 3x plus y the whole square. Now second one, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Again here also first term and last term are perfect squares. Middle term is a negative 1. So let us check whether it is in the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 2y the whole square is 4y square. 1 square is 1 itself. So middle term let us check, 2 into 2y into 1. 2 into 2y is 4y and it is negative. Negative there, that means second term is negative. So you can write that 2y minus 1 the whole square. Now third question, x square minus y square by 100. Both of them are perfect squares and there is a negative sign in between. That means it is in the form a square minus b square. And what is a square minus b square? A plus b and a minus b. So let us write that one, x minus y by 10 and x plus y by 10. Okay. Let's learn one more identity, that is a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. That is, if three numbers are given, how to find the square of that three numbers. So first one square, then second one square, third one square, then take first and 2, multiply that one with 2, then second and third, again multiply by 2, first and last, again multiply by 2, like that. Okay. Now let us solve problems according to that one. First, fourth question of 2.5, x plus 2y plus 4z the whole square. What is our a? X, b is 2y and c is 4z. So first one, a square, that is equal to x square, then b square, that is equal to 2y the whole square, then 4z the whole square, then plus 2 into x into 2y plus 2 into 2y into 4z, again 2 into x into 4z. Okay. Now what is x square? X square itself, 2y whole square is 4y square, 4z whole square is 16z square. Now 2 into 2y, 2x into 2y, that is 4xy. 2 into 2y into 4z, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16yz. Then 2x into 4z, 2x into 4z, that is 8xz. So your final answer is x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 16yz plus 8xz. Okay, now let us discuss second one. 2x minus y plus z the whole square. So first term square, that is 2x square, then minus y the whole square, that is z square, then 2 into 2x into minus y, then 2 into minus y into z, then 2 into 2x into z. Now 2x square, that is 4x square, minus y the whole square is plus y square, then z square, 2 into 2x into minus y, so 2 into 2 4 into minus 1 minus 4 xy, 2y into z, that negative y, so it will be negative 2 yz, then 2 into 2x into z, that is positive xz. So here you are getting 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xy minus 2yz plus 2xz. Now third one, minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z the whole square. So again first one, minus 2x the whole square, then 3y the whole square plus 2z the whole square, then 2 into minus 2x into 3y, then 2 into 3y into 2z, again 2 into negative 2x into 2z. Now negative 2x the whole square, it will be positive x, 4x square, 3y the whole square, 9y square, then 2z the whole square, 4z square. Now look at here, 2 into negative 2, negative 4 into 3, that is negative 12 xy, then 2 into 3 into 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12 yz. Now 2 into negative 2 into 2, negative 8 xz. Okay. Now fourth one, 3a minus 7b minus c the whole square. So first one square, that is 3a the whole square, then plus minus 7b the whole square plus negative c the whole square plus 2 into 3a into negative 7b, sign also you have to take, plus 2 into negative 7b into negative c plus 2 into 3a into negative c. So 3a square, that is equal to 9a square. So here 49b square, then c square. Now here you look at 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 7, negative 6 7s are 42ab, then negative 14 into negative into negative, positive it will come. Negative 14 into negative 1, positive 14 BC. Then negative 1 into this one. So last term will be negative 6 AC. Sign you have to take correctly, otherwise mistakes will happen. Now next one, minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z the whole square. Again here a is negative 2x, so negative 2x the whole square plus 5y the whole square plus negative 3z the whole square plus 2 into negative 2x into 5y plus 2 into 5y into negative 3z plus 2 into negative 2x into negative 3z. Now 4x square. Now 5y the whole square will be 25y square. Now 3z negative, that is squaring, you will get positive thing. Negative 2 into 2, negative 4 into 5, negative 20xy. 2 5s are 10, 10 into negative 3, negative 30 yz. Then 2 into negative 2 into, that is negative 4 into negative 3, that is positive 12 xz. Now last problem, 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 the whole square. Now 1 by 4a the whole square, then plus 1 by negative 1 by 2b the whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into 1 by 4a into negative 1 by 2b plus 2 into negative 1 by 2b into 1 and 2 into 1 by 4a into 1. So negative 1 by 4a square, that is 1 by 16 a square you will get. Negative 1 by 2, that will be squaring 1 by 4 b square, positive, and 1 square is 1. Now 2 and this 2 you can cancel there. So here you will get a negative sign, negative ab by 4. Now this 2 you can cancel there, negative b. Then again 2 you can cancel, plus a by 2. So final answer is this one.